What's up? What's up? Yes, Raphael here. Yes, guys, I just thought I'd stop and do a little short video. Right now, I'm just out here at the beach, and the waters are rough. But I don't look at it as a rough seas. I look at it as Mother Nature. It takes time. In time, all this rough seas you see in here, this will all be calm. And I want to relate that to how I feel about our business in VictoryWithAsh. Yes, I feel like it's a patient game right now. If you got patience, I think in the end we will get to where we want to go. We'll get to where we want to be. I think that Mr. Mafara is in the background. He's not sharing anything because he is working. That's my personal belief. I'm only speaking from what I feel. I don't know anything, but I just thought that I ask the guys that are getting impatient doing other stuff, because I've been getting a lot of calls lately. In the last 2 months, I've gotten about 13 calls for new businesses that people want me to join. Guys, when I came into this company, I told everyone back then that I never intended to get into anything else online. And this would be the last thing I ever do online pertaining to making money. Yes, because from my experiences, everything pops up, goes away. Guys, we've been in this for what, 7-8 years now. Me, 5 years, and it's still around. It's not like other stuff that's been around and it just disappeared. So I just want to encourage everyone, be patient. I honestly feel like something's going to happen. I honestly feel that I'm going to get to where I want to be. But hey, everyone have choices. Everyone have to live. Yes, I'm still working. I got me a good job. I'm working, being patient, and just waiting until I don't have to work. Yes, that would be nice one day. But hey, all in all, to God be all the glory. God controls it all. He controls this. He controls the seas, the sun. God is in control. Let's give it up to God. God, if you believe, it will happen. Hey, peace out.